Hi friends, Amanda here. Welcome back to the Business Finance Coach. I'm at step 9 to create your LLC yourself. And step 9 is about maintaining the entity. This is an infographic I have that I created for the 9 steps. The first step actually isn't on this infographic, but it's to file your annual report filing each year with your state. And many states are set up for you to do this online. And of course, you pay a fee. Now, don't worry, you don't have to actually submit any of your business reports for any states that I've seen. It's just a matter of confirming the information that you submitted on your articles of organization from step 4. Step number 2 is actually step 2 and 3 that you see here on my infographic. And those are to keep accounting records of your business regularly. Because your LLC is considered a separate business entity, you actually have to keep a separate business bank account, and you have to keep the business separate from your personal records and monies. If you haven't been doing this and you have an LLC, I do have a spreadsheet template in my business spreadsheet template, which you'll see videos about on my channel. In the worksheet for doing your accounting, there's actually 2 versions. One for if you're self-employed. It's simpler. All you have as a sole proprietor is your income and expenses. But if you're an LLC, I have another spreadsheet for your accounting that actually allows you to reconcile your bank account, which you can do using your bank statements and your paper receipts. One other issue around your money and bank account is that the business must be properly funded. So basically, you don't want to just be transferring personal money in there just to cover bills. You really want to use that as your reason to treat the business like a business. You'll see here at number 3 listed on my infographic says no commingling of funds. And that's what I mean by you must keep a separate business bank account. And if you spend any personal money out of the business, you've got to document that as a draw. And it's best to not even do that. You want to do as little of that as possible. But if you do it, you want to document it well. And if you spend business expenses yourself, you want to be sure to reimburse yourself and then give the receipt to the business and keep it in your records and keep all of that documented. And lastly, the third requirement for maintaining your LLC separate business entity is what I have listed here as number 1, keep meeting minutes. When it's just you alone, what I recommend doing is having a document you update each month as part of your business planning, because basically all keeping minutes is, when it's just you as the owner of your business, is writing down what you're doing. What are the operations about? What are the plans about? So keeping meeting minutes, that requirement you can really use to your advantage as a reason to stick to business planning even when you're self-employed. And a lot of business planning resources out there can be really overwhelming. Templates are really built for much bigger businesses doing business plans. So if you need help with that, I do have a spreadsheet out and a training for business planning that you can check out as well. In summary, the 3 requirements to maintain your LLC are 1, your annual filings, 2, you have to keep the accounting, and you have to keep your money separate, which helps you treat it like a business. And 3, you have to keep meeting minutes, so you might as well do business planning. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the 9 steps to form your LLC, and you can download the checklist I made for you of these 9 steps over at amandarussell.mba/my LLC.